Anti-mask protesters. They're captured on video storming through a grocery store and a mall in Century City. Why are they doing it? Well, our Phil Suman actually talked to one of the leaders of this. He joins us live now from Century City in front of the mall. Phil, I'm confounded by this. I've got lots of questions.
Well, the bottom line is they view it as personal freedom. It's a clear violation to be without a mask in public of state, county, and local emergency health orders, yet they feel the rules don't apply to them, and they're not really paying attention to what most people consider accepted wisdom from doctors. In one video, a woman without a mask who claims she was assaulted tries to ram a masked shopper inside a Ralph's. In another, a woman yells at an anti-masker, "My father's in the hospital with COVID." His response?
People die. Your father's not special.
Back at Ralph's, the man in the red cap refuses pleas to accept a mask.
I don't wear a mask, sir. Please.
I don't wear a mask.
He needs a mask. You guys
All this promoted online via social media, labeled as Fight Communism, organized by Shiva Bagheri.
Why won't you wear a mask? What's your objection to masks?
Because it's not good for you. It's a fundamental right to breathe oxygen and expel your garbage out of your system.
You don't feel you're putting yourselves or others at risk?
No, because I'm healthy. How can I get someone sick if I'm healthy? That's ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous to infectious disease specialists like Dr. Suman Radhakrishna. It's called asymptomatic spread.
You have an infection, but you don't know you have it. You walk around, you talk, you shout, you sing, you spew these droplets. Somebody else who is susceptible, if they get the infection, it can be deadly for them. And we've seen that being deadly. That's the problem.
Of course, and the anti-maskers essentially don't accept the validity, Alex, of asymptomatic spread. And what's more, even though it's a violation to be out in public without the mask, the LAPD, you may have seen some shots of them in those videos, their policy has essentially been education rather than enforcement. So you don't wear a mask, you show up, you try to force your way into the mall, they come, they ask you to leave, you leave until the next time.
Right.
It's a very frustrating and frightening situation.
Because if they didn't leave, they could be arrested for trespassing because it's a private business. But if they agree to leave, that makes that more complicated.
Right.